Hello students, hope you are well. After a long time we are meeting. This is the first class of Environment Science, class 3. Okay? The topic is playing well and listening properly. Perhaps the term playing suggests that it's a recreational activity, that is, playing a recreational activity. Generally we proceed during the afternoons. Means afternoon is the time that is key for pursuing this playing occasion. So here, in case of playing, some of the organs that here engages gives us a good kind of platform to continue our playing. And right now I am pointing out the organs that play a vital role in case of playing different games. Games are of two types, indoor games and outdoor games. Generally in indoor games and outdoor games, both these games include some of the sense organs, especially the sense organ here plays a vital part, that is ear. This organ helps us not only to play but also to engage ourselves in the playing, and also at the same time makes the game a fruitful one. Therefore, the necessity of the title, that is playing well and listening properly, to do justice playing well, we need to listen properly. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for us to continue the play, whether it may be an indoor games or outdoor games. In case of indoor games, we would suggest that Ludo, Carom, table tennis, we can carry forward this. In case of outdoor games, cricket is the most popular. In spite of that, football is there, lawn tennis is there, hockey is there, etc. In all these games, you need to listen properly. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to continue the play. Therefore, the listening properly is one of the vital part in case of playing. Second part is organs. Organs play a pivotal role in every game. Perhaps in most of the outdoor games, we need to maintain the organs like legs, hands, ears, etc. But we need to focus the use of maximum. Means in terms of, I would suggest that in terms of playing cricket, we can use the legs as well as hands, eyes mostly. Perhaps the time of use in case of playing matters, because in case of where in other side we can give an example that in case of football, legs is frequently used in comparison with the hands. But in case of cricket, both hands and legs are using all the time. Therefore, when in the next page you have the kind of organs listed there with their pictures, and you need to give the example of the games where these organs play a vital role, and therefore be careful regarding that. Okay, so playing well and listening properly ends here. Just focus on the exercise that given the respective organs and you are using it in the respective games, and focus on the maximum use of the organ. In case of use of organs, we need to focus the maximum use of organs. Okay. কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেছে এটা।